Hey guys, Seth here at Q Sales Inc. What we have is an Exmark 48-inch turf tracer with a stand on. I'm going to run and operate this machine, and then I'm going to show you the major components. As you can see, this machine starts right up. It runs and operates really good. The deck on this machine is very tight. There's no dents, cracks, welds, anything of that nature. All the deck wheels are on it. This machine is equipped with a full mulching system, which can be removed. Just a few bolts you have to undo there. Rear tires are about, I'd say, 30 to 40%. They're in decent shape. You have a Kawasaki FH541V 17 horsepower engine. It starts right up and runs and operates as it should. This is your hydraulic reservoir for the oil for your pumps and wheel motors. Parking brake. Gas tank holds about 6 gallons. This is your console, your key switch, speed control, throttle, your blade engagement. This machine does have an Exmark stand on. The bearings are shot, as you can tell. Bearings need to be redone on this one, and a grease fitting needs to be put in there, but it does work. Kind of worn, but it does work. Your hydro pumps are in very nice shape. They operate as they should, don't leak, and are responsive. Serial number, model number. Machine has 804 hours on it. So it's a very good running and operating machine. It's very clean. If you have any questions, feel free to call or email. Thank you.